Government cannot work by itself. The government needs the private sector hand in hand to take various facilities forward. It is very important, and that I strongly believe and I strongly advocate that even if something needs to be done, something needs to be relooked and reworked, it is important that we have the private sector along with us. Only then we will be able to further strengthen the Goa Medical College and ensure that we have actually the true healthcare in the state of Goa. Various areas are missing today. That if some policy is going wrong somewhere, we will correct it. If something needs to be relooked and reworked, we will work it out. And I am very passionate also on one aspect is that all the Goan doctors today have come forward to put up this hospital. It is their hard-earned money, this has been their dream. And I assure you the total commitment and support in taking your dream forward.
So today, Goa does not lack any facilities for super specialty also. And here is one hospital which the enterprising doctors, 50 odd people, will come and start it.
Every inch of your campus is such a beautiful planning, is such a beautiful dedication, that's what I feel. Is such a beautiful contribution and creativity.
I think Goa is one of the best world-class facilities in the public sector, and I am very sure this institution, Healthway, will go a long way to support all our endeavors, maybe to make even to support GMC, maybe to support our primary facilities also.
Social responsibility, we have already formed our Healthway Foundation, whose objective is healthcare access to the people who need it the most and to ensure that no one is denied medical care, irrespective of his financial means.